Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CB500F. This twin-cylinder, lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 15,900 miles, fuel-injected, electric start, liquid-cooled. It's got a little smoked windscreen on the front, heated electric grips, a great sounding Leo Vinci exhaust. Come on by for this gorgeous CB500F. Price to sell quickly, just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.